The world is changing, money is changing. We're moving from physical cash to digital dollars. Now, there's something new, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists entirely online. Cryptocurrency is growing more popular every day. More people are buying, selling, and using it. Some people believe it's the future of money. What is driving this change? People are looking for new ways to invest. They want more control over their money. Cryptocurrency offers both of these things. This new world of money can be confusing. Let's break it down and explore the basics of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency might seem complicated, but it's actually pretty simple at its core. Imagine a digital ledger that keeps track of every transaction. This ledger is called a blockchain. When you buy or sell cryptocurrency, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. This makes it secure and transparent. Everyone can see the transactions, but they can't be changed. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. There are many others, each with its own features and uses. The value of cryptocurrency can change quickly. It's important to understand the factors that influence prices before you invest. Cryptocurrency prices are determined by supply and demand. When more people want to buy a particular cryptocurrency, its price goes up. When more people want to sell, the price goes down. Several factors can influence supply and demand. News events, government regulations, and even social media trends can impact cryptocurrency prices. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency on exchanges. These are online platforms that connect buyers and sellers. There are many different trading strategies you can use. Some people hold their cryptocurrency for the long term, while others try to profit from short-term price movements. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. It's important to start small and learn as much as you can before investing large sums of money. Do your research and choose an exchange that is reputable and secure. Keep your cryptocurrency safe in a digital wallet. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest news and trends. Be patient and don't panic sell if the market fluctuates. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency should be seen as a long-term strategy. With careful planning and a bit of luck, you can potentially benefit from this exciting new asset class.